Hey guys, Felicia McCurry here with Century 21 Legacy and Nearly New Homes. We are finishing up one of our houses today and getting it ready. We're going to be renting this one. It has been completely remodeled and turned out fantastic. And so I wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like. First, let me show you the neighborhood. There's beautiful homes all around. It's in North Johnson City. There's 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Has a great covered front porch here. Very peaceful. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac. There were a lot of trees and bushes, and we took all that out and planted some grass here. And so hopefully we can see some coming up now that it'll look really pretty and way less maintenance than it was. So that was a huge improvement. And you come in the front door, it's a very open floor plan. Here's the living room. We put lots of lighting in here. Tons of natural light comes through the windows. And because you have the patio doors here, it's very, very bright. The kitchen was completely gutted, brand new cabinets. It's got newer appliances, new light fixtures, subway backsplash tile. The floor turned out fabulous. This would be a great kitchen to cook in. I love this this area here. It's kind of like an island, but more like a bar, but it's huge. Huge. Be a great workspace area. And then it opens up into the dining room. We've got the board and batten wall treatment here. Turned out really great. It has a great deck. You could do some barbecuing out here. It's quite large. There's also kind of like a grill thing here. You could do great big barbecues here. Turned out really good. There's still a few things that we have to do, clean up and get it ready to show, but I wanted to go ahead and get it listed for rent so we can get started making appointments. So again, here's the living room, kitchen, dining room, and then down the hall, here's one bedroom. This would make a great office. Just depends how many bedrooms you need. You got this bedroom, and then you have your hall bath. Have a little linen closet here. Your second bedroom. Has pretty decent sized closets. And then the master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Master bath. And then I'm going to take you downstairs. This was unfinished, and we went ahead and decided to finish it, make a bedroom and a big den. Just turned out really, really good. I love it down here. We added some canned lighting, ceiling fan, new sheetrock, new flooring, new everything. We still have to put up the railing for the steps. We went with some black iron pipes, and I think it's just going to turn out really great, a nice modern look. And we went with a little nook here for storage. We figure a little refrigerator right there would be so cute. And that way you don't have to go up and down the steps so much if you're down here and want to watch a movie or have some family time. Here's the other bedroom. This bedroom is huge. And it's a pretty good sized closet over there as well. And then the laundry room's down here. Some extra storage. This home has fenced front yard and a fenced backyard. Has a 2-car drive-under garage. And I think it's a great home, so we're going to be putting it for rent. If you know anyone who's looking to rent a home short term, we're looking for a 1-year lease. So just send me a message and I'll give you more details if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.